When it comes to spices from our kitchen, garlic seems to rule it all, especially in terms of health benefits. Let us look at a few of the pluses, and start incorporating garlic in our daily diet, if not already doing so. Garlic, Allium sativum, is used widely for flavoring in cooking. It has long been used as a flavor booster, in curries, stir-fries, etc. It has the power to instantly liven up any dish, and treat some of the most common ailments. It is known to be taken, in order to prevent and treat, a wide range of medical conditions and diseases. It has been used by humans, for thousands of years, and was used for both culinary purposes, and for its health and therapeutic benefits. Garlic is good for the heart. It has significant cardioprotective properties, which might help prevent diseases, like atherosclerosis, hyperlipidemia, thrombosis, hypertension, and more. Research does indicate it can have a positive impact on your arteries and blood pressure. Further research is needed to decide the proper form and dosage. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration recommends 4 grams of garlic daily, the size of one large clove, to reduce your risk of heart disease. Garlic also works as an anti-inflammatory. Research has shown that garlic oil works as an anti-inflammatory. So, if you have sore and inflamed joints or muscle, rub them with the oil. A high consumption of allium vegetables, including garlic, is associated with protection against hip osteoarthritis, which is the most common disabling joint condition, affecting older adults. Scientists believe the plant's natural compounds help fend off the breakdown of joint cartilage and bone. Garlic appears to have some benefits for bone health by increasing estrogen levels in females. But more studies are needed. Garlic could be a useful addition to any anti-inflammatory regimen. It helps boost digestion. Daily inclusion of raw garlic cloves in your diet eliminates digestive issues. Garlic helps clear up most intestinal problems, like dysentery, diarrhea, and colitis. It does not affect the good bacteria in the intestine, but destroys the harmful ones. It not only enhances digestion, but also helps relieve stomach gas. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the biggest drivers of cardiovascular diseases. Also, if you are suffering from high blood sugar, you must include garlic in your diet. Consuming this popular spice has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially stop or decrease the effects of some diabetes complications, as well as fight infections, reduce LDL cholesterol, and encourage circulation. Studies have also shown that for type 2 diabetes patients, garlic significantly improved blood cholesterol levels. Therefore, consume raw garlic instead of the cooked bulb, to help lower blood sugar levels. Those who suffer from diabetes observe their blood sugar levels regulating on consumption of raw garlic. Eating garlic also helps prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. It is effective against neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The antioxidant properties may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. A bioactive compound S-allylcysteine, found in garlic, is neuroprotective in nature. Moreover, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic help prevent neurological deterioration. It treats athlete's foot. Garlic also fights fungus. Athlete's foot is caused due to a fungal or yeast infection, which is also known as tinea pedis, ringworm of the foot. If you have athlete's foot, soak your feet in garlic water or rub raw garlic on your feet to attack the itch-causing fungus. Garlic is an antifungal agent, and can be used to treat ringworm of the foot. Good for skin and hair. Garlic's antioxidants and antibacterial properties can clear up your skin by killing acne-causing bacteria. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals, and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. This herb is an effective skin cleanser and an antibiotic substance that helps resolve several skin conditions, including skin rashes, psoriasis, cold sores, and blisters. Raw garlic has the potential to ward off a cold and cough infections. Garlic supplements are known to boost the function of the immune system. It is not only effective in easing a stuffed nose and cure the cold, but also builds your immunity and helps prevent and reduce the severity of common illnesses, like the flu and common cold. A few words of caution: garlic health benefits are aplenty. Overdoing it can cause discomfort. All content here is provided for general information only, and should not be treated as a substitute for the medical advice of your own doctor or any other healthcare professional. As always, here's wishing you remain healthy and as fit as a fiddle. If you found this interesting, do like, share, and subscribe.